Hello and welcome to Cooking with me, myself and I. I'm Bruce from Big Family Little Income, and today we're going to be whipping up a very quick and easy green chicken curry with rice. You're going to love it. Hopefully the kids won't, there'll be more leftovers. So first things first, let's get the rice on. As promised, that was easy, but you are both a big. Now while the rice is cooking, we can prep the rest of the ingredients. Slice up your chicken, the onion, the capsicum, open up your jar of coconut milk and green curry paste so that when you're ready to go and start cooking in here, you've got it all ready. Now that we've done all the prep, the next bit is easy. We just have to put the chicken and the onion into the wok and chase it around for a little bit. Next we add the stock, the coconut milk, the paste and the capsicum. So now we're 4 minutes into cooking and all we have to do is add the snow peas and the coriander, thank you Bruce, and another minute, chase it around the pan and we are ready to serve. Seriously, I am such a good cook. The problem with this dish really is having to share it, so maybe better off waiting until you're home alone.